Now, the word hero is often misused, and this evening, however, we have found a genuine, real hero. A hero decorated... Quite right, quite right. This hero next to me, decorated for his bravery, for his part in a secret underwater mission ahead of the D-Day landings in 1944. A man who has made a remarkable, and it truly is a remarkable recovery from a dreadful assault that happened in his own home just a year ago. It's almost to the day, sir, I believe, isn't it? An event that shocked and angered all of us, I think. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be quiet now, but I'm very, very honoured to introduce you to your community hero, Mr. Jim Booth.
Well done, Jim. Mayor, are you going to assist Jim with the switch on? So we're nearly ready for the switch on, ladies and gentlemen. Are we ready? Oh, I don't think this is on. Are we ready? So let's have a countdown then from 10,